Welcome to my studio! Hi there! So today I'm gonna show you how I used to wash my brushes. First of all, we need the brushes. As you can see, I'm not washing my brushes often. Don't do the same. We need our brushes always clean and ready to paint. So, ready to start? First of all, we need gloves. Then we start with the white spirit. Let's start. I put white spirit in a small cup, please don't drink it. I really don't like to clean the brushes. It's so boring. Makes me feel lazy. You can dance, you can drink a glass of wine in the meantime. Some of them are really dry, so I should probably leave them a little bit. Next step is the funny step. Water and soap. I like this part. And then we're gonna wash our brushes. Of course, I'm showing to you the process, but you can just wash them. Easy. I like my brushes. I like my brushes. I like to wash my brushes. I'm washing my brushes. I'm washing my brushes. You can see, but at the end it's moving. It's really, really nice. If it's moving, then you can wash. So, believe it or not, I washed all my brushes for the first time. What we need to do now is take all the brushes, put again in the white spirit, do the same thing another time. Why? Because my brushes, they were really, really dirty. We need to operate again. Brushes. It's like, you know, there is still oil colors in the brushes, so let's do it again. Samba. So the next step is again hot water and soap. That's a long, long way to have clean brushes again. Now it's coming the fun part. You see? Like they're still dirty. Some pigments stay more, as this green, apparently, but it's not so bad. I mean, I can use this to paint because it looks dirty, but actually it's not. Another thing to paint like this. Should probably try. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, they're not so clean, but at the end I can use them again. But now the conditioner. I'm using my conditioner, so air conditioner, coconut milk. I love the smell. And leave it and just wash it again in a few minutes. It's so small. So now we're gonna wash them again, and wash brushes is so annoying, but we must do it. I think that's all. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, a like, and please remember to wash your brushes, it's so important. And I did it! See you soon! Bye!